Have you ever worried about your building being hacked? Wilson is getting security tips from a local company.
Hey everybody, Wilson's World from home this time with some tips and some things you need to know. I've been seeing a lot talking about some of the phishing and some of the things that are going on now as we're all kind of hunkered down and being safe. I've got Tom on the line right now, great Charlie company, Intelligent Buildings. And Tom, you can really speak to why people should be really kind of wary with any of these kind of phishing and hacking issues, right?
Well, yeah, I mean, it's obviously we're all focused on the public health issues, as we should be, but the bad actors really seek to take advantage of that. So, the hacking attacks are up significantly, and the phishing attacks as well, and really terrible in that they're taking advantage of COVID-19 and coronavirus type messaging to get into computers and do all the things that they have been doing before that.
But now I imagine, and for these phishing things, for people that don't know, you get an email and it could say something like, hey, here's an update, and they click on it, and that link is a bad link, and then they're in your system, right, Tom?
That's exactly right, and we're seeing it in all different kinds of segments. So sometimes it could be more of a public health message, sometimes it could appear from your rental car company or from your bank or from various vendors like that, and we've all seen them. Every company that you can think of that you deal with has sent you some kind of a message, so it's really tough to see the difference.
Tom, with Intelligent Buildings, you work with a lot of building owners, really all over the place. What are you telling them? What can they do to make sure their buildings and their people are safe?
Well, it's interesting because they have these same sort of risks because all their building systems are connected to the internet. So their technicians attacked with these phishing campaigns tailored to whatever their craft is. The buildings are also being hacked more frequently, and really, this may sound obvious, but technicians that service our commercial buildings shouldn't be walking into buildings without a health screen of some sort. So it's similar to the public at large, but really particular to the real estate community.
Well, there's so many different levels that everybody's really having to think about now. Tom, I'm glad you're out there working with your people. Where can people find out more details about Intelligent Buildings?
Sure, intelligentbuildings.com.
There you go. Well, Tom, I'm glad you're here in the Charlotte area, keeping everybody safe and your people. And, hey, we'll check in with you again soon. But thanks for those great ideas and tips.
Thank you. Talk soon.
Thanks a lot. Hey, we got more Wilson's World coming up for you in just a bit.